Hi guys, welcome back to Success Corner. For the past many days I had not made any video regarding NEET and JEE updates, but I had to make this video today because today is a very important day. The Supreme Court hearing regarding two PILs is going to take place today. So let's see why and what will happen today. So there is a Supreme Court hearing regarding NEET and JEE Mains 2020. Okay, so the hearing is going to take place within a few hours from now. So let's see what happens. So after this hearing, there is a chance that NEET and JEE might be postponed because one of the PILs is asking for postponement of the entrance exams, but we are not yet sure. So let's see what exactly are the PILs and why is this hearing taking place. So the Supreme Court of India will be hearing two PILs, that is two public interest litigations that have been filed for JEE Mains and NEET 2020. Okay, the first petition is demanding further postponement of JEE Mains and NEET exams. So they have demanded that these exams should be postponed because this is not an ideal condition to conduct these exams, taking into consideration the safety of the students. Okay, but the other request that has been filed is for no more delay in the entrance exams. So the second PIL says that the exam should be conducted on the proposed date in September. So this hearing, it will be heard by Justice Arun Mishra. So let's see what happens after this hearing because these are two contradictory PILs. One is opposing the other. So we can only come to a conclusion after the hearing takes place. So what are the demands in general? So, okay, so the two PILs have been formed. So as I've said that the first one is asking for postponement, as well they are also asking for increase in number of examination centers, and they have quoted the safety of the students. 11 students from 11 states have filed this PIL combinedly saying that it's not safe to conduct these exams. But on the other hand, the other PIL says that the exam should be conducted and no more postponement should take place. So in one sense it's good if the exam takes place in September because already it has been postponed a lot of time from May to September. It's a long time. Students are frustrated. So the exam should take place. But the other demand is also valid to some extent, taking into consideration the safety of the students. But as we know that unlock is taking place, unlock 3 has started. So this means that there is a chance that it won't be postponed. But it all depends on the hearing in the Supreme Court. So let's wait till the result from the hearing comes out. So guys, let's hope for the best. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe right now because I'll keep you updated with the latest news regarding NEET and JEE and regarding this Supreme Court hearing. We'll also guide you about NEET and JEE preparation and also how you can get into top colleges like AFMC and how you can clear those interviews. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe right now, and I hope you like this video. You got to know about the latest updates. So please like and share it with your friends who are also curious कि NEET and JEE postpone होगा कि नहीं. Okay, thank you so much guys. All the best. Let's hope for the best.